Beautiful Black women hairstyles start with healthy hair. Are you tired of chemical-based products that damage your hair? Just Natural products are natural and organic hair treatments that produce results every time. Just Natural offers a wide variety of Black hair products. They're free of harsh chemicals, sulfates, and made in the USA for today's Black woman. Transitioning to natural? Just Natural has the answer. Beauty begins with you, and your hair is one of your unique assets. Just Natural will enhance your styles and make you radiate with natural beauty.